girls, let's learn number from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here comes 1. Yay! Let's do it again. Slide into the pool. Here comes 2. Wow! We are sliding and the number came out of it is 3. Are you enjoying? Let's do it again. Here comes 4. Yay! 5. I enjoy sliding into the pool. Let's jump. Here comes 6. Can we do it again? Yes. 7. Look. Wow. Let's jump. And it comes out.